What's up, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the day where I'm finally going to do my 2020 vision board, which I have been wanting to do a vision board for like the longest time, but this year is gonna be the year where things are going to happen. Right here, this is my board. I usually have pictures on it, but that was originally my vision board. But now that I finally got the stuff to do my vision board, today you're gonna do it with me, and I don't care. I have been waiting for this video. Actually took me 2 days to create. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but things happened. Drink my coffee. I'm gonna gather all my materials so that way we could start and you guys could watch me. Say hi. You ready to eat? So what are we gonna eat today? We're gonna eat. We're leaving Panda, which is literally walking distance from Walmart, because we got hungry and we're fat and we need to be fed. Thank you, brother. We're waiting for the water to fill up. Ahorita, bebé. I don't know if you noticed, my room is like hidden with like little Disney figures in there because I love Disney. Ever since Disney Plus came out, that is all we watch. We can't go a day without watching Disney. Magazines have a lot of like cool fronts. Got a magazine. I couldn't really show you guys when I was over there, but this is kind of what I want in mind. My next goal in life is to purchase a home, and I kind of want to have like ideas on how I want to decorate the home. So it is 7:57 and we were at Walmart, and out of nowhere the baby started feeling cranky after we left. We're gonna just make sure that she's okay. Yeah, she seems fine. So now that I have all my materials, oh my god, I feel exposed. So now that I have all my materials gathered together, I am going to say that magazines are not cheap, but I paid $10 for something like this at Walmart. And you know what? I wasn't even exactly finding everything that I was looking for. Maybe like later on I'll add on to it, but for right now I have one particular thing in mind that I want to get. So let's get started. So I felt like I didn't have enough material to make this video and to complete my vision board. So I ran down to Hobby Lobby, which is literally down the street from my house. And I got some stuff, and they were actually on sale, like these cute little background paper and some stickers that I'm going to be using. Okay, so this is the background paper that I'm talking about that I got on sale. It was for $4 when it usually goes for $10. And I also got these cute little stickers. Oh, and don't mind the chip. don't mind those chips. Those are mine. So right now I'm just gonna measure to see how many papers I can put up here.
From the way I see it, it looks like you could put 2 in 4 sections.
Okay, so right now I just measured to see how much papers I can put on that board. And now I'm just gonna be deciding between all these different designs. I really like this map one. I love this map one actually. Map one is kind of translucent. Like, I don't even know what it's called. So I'm not just gonna go with all the colors. I'm gonna pick the ones that I really like the most, and so far the map design looking one is like my #1 choice. This one, I don't know. I just went with what my gut said, and my gut said I'm hungry. But besides that, my gut's gonna have to. Okay, so this is kind of how I want my decorations in the back of all my posts. This is how I want it. We're gonna get to the finishing right in a little bit, so just bear with me. So it took me a couple of hours to finally create half of what I want. So it took me more than 2 days to create this video, and it took me about half the day to try to finish this masterpiece, this art. I'm so proud of it. From what I've gotten done, it's only halfway done, but I just got so much I want to put down. This is it. Now I'm just gonna explain to you a little bit about what I've done here. So this is the start. It goes from up, down, up, down. Well, this is what I want first to be accomplished. It's a reminder to save. This is how much money I want to see all the time, plus growing. I'm trying to save up to get a good camera quality, a good quality camera. Basically my savings, you try to make it a trend. And then music, I want to sing, I want to be different, I want to have a unique style and just become something. This is my goal when my husband gets back. This is my goal, to have a house. I am so big on this. Like, this is my favorite project that I did, because I have a mind already, a picture in my mind of how I want my house, and this is my inspiration on trying to get that goal. Now this is to travel. I want to put more pictures here of traveling to like the beach and to like France and all that, but right now my goal isn't to travel 100%. I like this whole background because I want to remind myself to be positive and to give.
and be healthy. Have a healthy mind, have a healthy lifestyle, think about others, be humble, give, because when you give, you will receive, you will be rained on by blessings. So these are blank because the year just started. And I have so much already that I want to accomplish, and I already have so much that I started with done. So my thing is, I want to be able to put pictures of me accomplishing my goals, me finishing the things that I wanted to get, and then adding new things that I want, because I'm pretty sure I'm never going to be content. But that's why I put this right here, because I want to be content with how my life is going, with how my life is. And this is my journey to it. I have a very, very strong feeling about this year, and I am very excited to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe on the button. I hope 2020 is a year for everyone to have their blessings, to get their goals done, to feel better about themselves, live a positive life. And I just hope you guys have a good one. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.